This is the NUWATT 1x2 foot surface or flush mount LED ceiling panel. The sleek, low-profile design and commercial quality construction make it a perfect option for any project, large or small. It comes in both black and white frames of the same size, so you can choose the right look for your space. The installation process is quick and easy. And there's no need to buy any additional surface mount kits because all the hardware required to install it comes included in the box. It also has a built-in 5 CCT switch to adjust the Kelvin temperature of the light, giving you the flexibility to match the color of your NUWATT lights with the rest of the lighting in your space. This is a 22-watt panel, and it's also CRI 90+, so colors are more accurately represented when illuminated by this light. You can find this light on our website and at most major retailers.